In this project, I will show you how to make a modern color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. You can take a look. This is a video clip and it's really not seems good, and it don't have enough color correction, color branding, even it don't have any enough contrast, brightness or highlights. So let's take a look how to make this video clip as a modern video clip. So I'm selecting this video clip, and you should ensure that you are working with your color workspace. It's in here. You should must ensure that you are working with color workspace, and then you have to select the basic correction option, and under basic correction option there is input LUT. So I'm selecting input LUT, and there is different type of input are there, and I'm selecting Alexa default log. So I'm selecting Alexa default log, and now take a look. It's really looks much better than before, and it's now adjusted with contrast, brightness, saturation, and it's really looks beautiful than before. So this is how you will create a modern video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Thank you.